How to stay motivated. So, gusto mo na motivated ka. Inspired, determined. Feeling good all the time. Do your heart, passion, and desire. Okay, so how to stay motivated? Wake up at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., or 6 a.m. The earlier the better. Okay, so how to stay motivated? Follow the rules. Follow your desires and wants in life. Be the best version of yourself. Be the best that you could ever be. As I always do say, okay, so how to stay motivated? Inspire yourself, be determined, motivate yourself. Read quotes, make it your life. Okay, so read God's word. Pray always. As you should be. Okay, so how to stay motivated? Paano? How? So, how to stay motivated? Manood sa YouTube kung paano mas i-motivate ang sarili. Matuto sa Google how to, oo. Paano? Okay. So, pahalagahan ang oras at panahon. Maniwalaan na ang destiny, tadhana at fate mo ay magiging maayos at maganda. Okay. Alright, so, maniwala sa sarili. Kasi ang oras ay tuloy-tuloy. Huwag magpapaiwan. Oo, totoo. Okay, so how to stay motivated? Stay true. Treat yourself. Enjoy life as you could ever be. Okay, so how to stay motivated? Mag-alaga ng aso o pusa para may libangan kapag free time. Kapag may free time, mas ma-enjoy mo ang life kapag oo at totoo. Okay, so how to stay motivated? You should know it by yourself cause you know the answers at alam mo ang mga sagot about life and about the topic. Okay, so how to stay motivated? Paano? So tell me, alam mo naman yun eh. Magsumikap ka lang, magtiyaga ka kasi in the end, ikaw lang din sa sarili mo ang makakagawa nun. Oo, totoo. Truth, okay, how to stay motivated. Answer it by yourself. Figure it out cause you know it. Cause your heart tells you to do so. Told you so. Okay, so how to stay motivated? Power of words, affirmations. Positive self-talk. It is a must. You should and just do it. It is for yourself naman eh. There's no turning back, right? Okay, so tama, alright. Do it, go ahead, yes, oo. Tama, right, totoo, truth. A must and you have to. Totoo, maniwala ka, yes. And oo, okay, so how to stay motivated? Reach your dream. Achieve your goals, do your best. Give your all, okay. How to stay motivated? Make your goals clear. Your wants in life, your dream. And that dream. Yes, totoo, okay, so how to stay motivated? Wake up early. Drink your coffee. Either hot or iced. Yes. Life goes on and so do you. You too, of course. Give your best shot, no more time to waste. Cause the time is now. Speak up, dear. Like and comment and please do subscribe. Rock on, peace out. Okay po. Speak up, dear.